LG's innovative massage chair takes center stage at Seoul pop-up stores. The Healing Me Arte massage chair has a unique design that looks like a comfy lounge chair. It's made to be less bulky and more stylish than traditional massage chairs. LG Electronics wants this pop-up store to be like a relaxing lounge in the middle of the city. They want you to see and feel the chair's design and massage features in person. The Healing Me Arte chair has a special massage mechanism with a ball that moves in 6 directions, not just up and down, but also side to side and even front to back. It imitates different hand massage techniques like rubbing, acupressure, and tapping. It offers 7 different massage programs, including one for people who drive a lot or work in offices. You can customize the massage to your liking, adjusting things like the area, speed, and intensity. Plus, you can control it wirelessly and use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Amazon One. The step into the future with Amazon One, a revolutionary contactless identity service developed by Amazon. This innovative service allows you to use your unique palm signature to enter, identify, and pay at various locations. Amazon One uses advanced technology to evaluate multiple aspects of your palm, both on the surface and below, creating a unique palm signature that is as individual as you are. The enrollment process is simple and quick, requiring only an Amazon account, your mobile number, and a credit or debit card. Once enrolled, you can use Amazon One at various locations, including Amazon Go stores, where you simply hold your palm above the Amazon One device at entry and proceed with your shopping. Amazon plans to expand this service to other retailers, stadiums, and office buildings, making everyday activities like paying at a store, presenting a loyalty card, or entering a location more effortless and convenient. Experience the future of contactless identity with Amazon One. Mercedes-Benz Vision Van. The Mercedes-Benz Vision Van. This isn't just any van, it's a logistics center on wheels, revolutionizing delivery services. The Vision Van boasts a fully automated cargo space, integrated drones for autonomous air deliveries, and a state-of-the-art joystick control. It's powered by a 75 kilowatts electric drive system, offering a range of up to 270 kilometers and ensuring locally emission-free deliveries. But that's not all. The Vision Van is part of Mercedes-Benz new strategy, Advance, aiming to transform from a vehicle manufacturer to a provider of holistic system solutions. It's the first van worldwide to fully digitally connect all people and processes involved in the delivery chain. So, buckle up as we explore the Mercedes-Benz Vision Van, a glimpse into the future of last-mile delivery. The Squidbot is an innovative robot developed by engineers at the University of California, San Diego. It's designed to swim untethered, propelling itself by generating jets of water. The robot carries its own power source inside its body and can also carry a sensor, such as a camera, for underwater exploration. The Squidbot takes a volume of water into its body while storing elastic energy in its skin and flexible ribs. It then releases this energy by compressing its body and generates a jet of water to propel itself. This mechanism allows the Squidbot to move at speeds of 8 to 32 centimeters per second, 0.5 miles per hour or 0.8 kilometers per hour, which is faster than most other soft robots. The Squidbot can be steered by altering the orientation of the nozzle. It was tested in a lab waterbed and then in a larger aquarium with other creatures, demonstrating its feasibility for real-world applications. Looking Glass Go. The Looking Glass Go is a pocket-sized holographic display developed by Looking Glass Factory. This device allows you to view 3D images without the need for special glasses. It's a 6-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels, connected to a stand with support for adjustable viewing angles. The Looking Glass Go is designed to make holograms smaller, more accessible, and smarter. It's a way to see 3D objects without putting on a VR headset, a way to view spatial photos you might capture with your phone, and a way to interact with ChatGPT-powered holographic AI characters. This device is part of Looking Glass Factory's mission to bring immersive 3D experiences to the masses. It's already being used to create hologram magic and is seen as a significant step in making the metaverse more accessible for all. Telexistence Model T, a groundbreaking robot developed by Tokyo startup Telexistence. This teleoperated humanoid robot is designed to perform tasks such as restocking shelves in retail spaces and can be controlled by a human operator using a standard VR setup from anywhere in the world. With 22 degrees of freedom in its joints, the Model T can use tools and grasp a wide range of objects, offering a wide range of movement. The video connection between the robot and the human operator has a latency of just 50 milliseconds, ensuring smooth control. Currently being trialed in Japanese convenience store chain Family Mart, the plan is to have the Model T in up to 20 stores by 2022, with the eventual goal of expanding that to every store in the country. This innovative technology aims to bring industrial robots closer to human living areas at a reasonable cost and allows staff to work from home, a crucial feature in our current age of social distancing. BioLeg. Discover the future of mobility with the BioLeg, a state-of-the-art motor-powered microprocessor NED developed by Bionic M. Designed to mimic natural movement, the BioLeg enhances physical activities by compensating for lost muscle strength, offering amputees a more natural and effortless mobility solution. Whether it's climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or walking, the BioLeg supports the user's movements in various situations. It combines the intelligence of a microprocessor with the power of a motor, supporting a more natural, fluid gait and greater stability than passive MPK devices. This advanced technology reduces cognitive load and requires less physical effort during walking and sit-to-stand transitions. Experience the significant advancement in prosthetic technology with the BioLeg, transforming the lives of amputees by offering a more natural and effortless mobility solution. Introducing the ZipCharge Go, a game-changing portable powerbank for electric vehicles. Developed by British startup ZipCharge, this suitcase-sized device weighs around 50 pounds and is designed for easy transport. In just 30 minutes, it can provide up to 20 miles of range, with a higher capacity version offering up to 40 miles. Compatible with any plug-in hybrid or EV with a Type 2 socket, the ZipCharge Go can be charged from any socket and controlled via an app for scheduling and monitoring. The company plans to release 4 kWh and 8 kWh versions and aims to sell it for around the same cost as a 7.2 kW home charging port installation. This innovative product is set to alleviate range anxiety for EV users and is expected to hit the market in the second quarter of 2023. Experience the thrill of speed with the Bloodhound SSC, a rocket car designed and built in Britain with the aim of breaking the land speed record by reaching speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. This transonic rocket car is powered by a jet engine bolted to a rocket, producing a staggering 47,500 pounds of thrust. The technology used in the Bloodhound SSC is so advanced, it makes an F1 car look like a soapbox. The rocket combines solid fuel with a liquid oxidizer, which react with a catalyst of fine silver to produce just enough heat and energy to blast the car and pilot to the target speed of 1,050 miles per hour in 20 seconds. The test runs will start later this year, and the final assault on the world record is set to take place sometime in 2016. Stay tuned for this groundbreaking attempt at making history. Mind-reading pangolin dress. We're exploring the intersection of fashion and technology with the mind-reading pangolin dress. This isn't just any dress, it's a 3D printed masterpiece created by Dutch designer Anouk Wipprecht. The dress is connected to the wearer's brain using 1,204 electroencephalography sensors, resembling the scales of a pangolin. The dress changes its shape based on the wearer's brain activity, creating a whole-body visualization of neural activity. As the wearer's brain activity intensifies, the lights flicker and the wings on the dress shoulders flap. When the wearer is soothed, the lights glow purple. So, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the mind-reading pangolin dress, a true testament to the power of technology in fashion. Diving deep into the world of freediving. Freediving is more than just a sport, it's a journey of personal growth, a test of mental and physical resilience, and a gateway to a vibrant community. It's a way to improve your fitness, explore the underwater world, and even meditate. The focus on breath control and the tranquility of the underwater environment can be incredibly calming and stress-reducing. Plus, freediving is a sustainable choice for exploring the underwater world with minimal environmental impact. So, whether you're looking for a new hobby, a fitness regimen, or a method of exploration, freediving could be the perfect activity for you. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of freediving. Fingertip-powered wearable. The fingertip-powered wearable is an innovative device developed by engineers at the University of California, San Diego 1. This thin, flexible strip can be worn on a fingertip and generate small amounts of electricity when a person's finger sweats or presses on it. What sets this device apart is that it generates power even while the wearer is asleep or sitting still. This is a significant advancement in the field of wearables as it harnesses the energy that can be extracted from human sweat even when a person is not moving. The device also generates extra power from light finger presses. Activities such as typing, texting, playing the piano, or tapping in Morse code can also become sources of energy. The goal is that this wearable will naturally work for you and you don't even have to think about it. Moza AI Robo Hands Heat Therapy. We're exploring the world of advanced massage technology with the Moza AI Robo Hands. This highly effective massager is equipped with 8 magnetic myofascial massage heads that deliver effective 45 degrees eccentric kneading. It targets skin, fascia, superficial, and deep muscles, releasing tension and gently unwinding knots. The device is powered by a silent 4,500 RPM brushless motor, providing a library-grade noiseless experience. It also offers a heat compress with 3 points for the neck and 3 heating levels controlled by the NTC system. The Moza AI Robo Hands harnesses the power of vibration and gentle tapping techniques to deliver a rejuvenating massage experience. By targeting the lymph nodes, it effectively enhances lymphatic circulation, giving a significant boost to your immunity. So, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Moza AI Robo Hands, a device that learns your preferences over time for a truly personalized massage experience.